In this video, I'm going to show you how you can autoplay your slides in a presentation. Now, as you can see, I have a presentation here, and this presentation contains 10 slides. And to autoplay it, all you need to do is to come to present option, which is here, and then tap on it. Now from here, you'll see a number of functions, among them present full screen, presenter view, present and record, and autoplay. Now what we want, or what we are interested in, is to autoplay. Go ahead and tap on autoplay. And when you click autoplay, you'll see your presentations playing here. And if we go ahead and tap on present, you will see your slides playing automatically because we have put it in autoplay. To exit from this autoplay, all you need to do is to hit escape button on your keyboard, and this will exit autoplay mode of your presentation. So that's how you autoplay your presentations in Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.